instant home remedy for diarrhea with only 2 ingredients. The most common cause of diarrhea is a viral or bacterial infection that contaminates the digestive tract through water or food ingestion. If it lasts more than 3 days, then it is advisable to consult your doctor. There are 2 types of diarrhea: acute diarrhea, which lasts for several days, and chronic diarrhea, which lasts at least 20 days. Foods that can help fight diarrhea are recommended: boiled potatoes, unseasoned crackers, cereals, bananas, porridge from boiled apples, plain white rice, toast. These foods can be very helpful on the first day of diarrhea treatment. Eating a lot of small meals throughout the day can help a lot for the digestive tract. What to drink when you have diarrhea? Fluids are also vital for your recovery. You must drink a lot of water during the day because it helps prevent dehydration and flush out all the toxins from your body. However, the body loses minerals and electrolytes through diarrhea. For that, you must drink fluids that contain minerals and electrolytes. Sources of electrolytes and minerals include coconut water, electrolytic water. What to avoid from food? Fried food, spicy food, sugary foods and artificial sweeteners. Homemade recipe to stop diarrhea. Lemon and coffee against diarrhea. Mix 3 spoons of ground coffee with 2 spoons of lemon juice and mix it until you get a slurry. Eat the mixture you received. The taste is not very pleasant, but do not add any sweeteners because they can make diarrhea worse.